Ako tarong, taga-asa siya. What?
We have a foreign guest here.
Yeah.
I got distracted while we are performing here because I wasn't able to sing that song because I'm looking at you.
Ay?
Yeah, because you look like Santa Claus. Where? Isa ilubong.
Dili man na. Lahi man to.
Hi, sir, where are you from? What's your name?
California.
California.
It's too far.
It's too far. Where are you in California?
Del Sur o Del Norte?
Wala din Lord.
Sabi na ko na.
Where are you in California?
Unsa?
We're in California.
Tubag!
Yeah.
Wala sa tipadi, si Yo Yo.
Oo.
San Francisco.
Wow!
Unsa daw?
What? San Francisco.
San Francisco. Yeah.
Do you have like this in San Francisco?
Hoy, lahi na nila kwarta dito.
You have?
Dollar silang kwarta.
Can I see?
Yeah. Do you have sample of that,
Do you
sir?
have
God,
500 there? Do you have 500 there?
What's your currency in California, sir? It's
Do you
dollar,
have
right?
500
Yep.
there?
Oh.
Yeah, can you give us $500?
Do you have 500 there?
What kasagang?
$500.
Ma, may siguro. Mabangi
May man ka, nakabalay na ka kami ang rent pa.
Oh my God! Nikumot si Sir! Oh my God! Nikumot o baril!
Pinala lang.
I'm so...
Yeah. Hoy, dali lang ang asawa. Oh, di tanaw. Yeah.
Is your right?
O siya? It's your wife.
Where's the payment?
Brooklyn dito.
Oh, thank you kay Ma.
Yeah, thank you so much. Are you a vlogger?
Ate si Ma'am, nabalayan na si Ma'am. Oo, napalitan na siya masakyanan. So, ang nabilin sa kanya sa Amerikano, kanina lang yun. Thank you so much.
Usually,
You're celebrating Christmas here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah? Okay.
how
So,
do you find the Philippines, sir?
how did you find it?
I
Yeah.
found her and found the Philippines.
Oh my God!
Isa daw.
You found her? I found her, so I found the Philippines.
Wow.
Yeah, you're so lucky to have a Filipino wife,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Are you happy with your wife?
Very much.
Yes, because we Filipinos, we're so hospitable.
Why?
Once you taste us, you'll get hospitalized.
Hoy!
Charing na. Thank you so much. We're so accommodating. She's accommodating. Yeah, we Filipinos, we're so accommodating. We can fit 4 to 5. Do you have a requested song, ma'am?
Do you have a theme song? A love song?
What
Oh
do
my
you
God,
got?
Matut Mila. I know that song. You know that song?
Anything beautiful you like.
Anything beautiful you like. Who sing that song?
Yeah. Who's the singer of that song?
Anything beautiful that you like.
Ay. Who's the singer of that song?
Imelda Papin. Oh my
Oo.
God, thank you so much.
Thank you so
Magsalamat
much.
kaayo,
Oo.
ma'am.
Mostly kasi ng mga ano daw, mga ano natin, mga overseas Filipino workers at saka mga wife ng ating mga foreigners ay mga nagpa-vlog. Nag-vlog po ba kayo, ma'am?
Hindi.
Hindi. Ay, si Sir Vlogger!
Are you vlog, sir?
Are you vlog, sir? Tarunga!
Ay, so you're a vlogger.
You're a vlogger.
Oh.
What's your
So,
channel?
I think this is a social experiment.
Yeah.
So if I give it back to you, you will return it 10 times?
Yeah! Oo, di ba? First set pa na.
Oo, of course, ang ating rules, kung sino ang makakuha sa kwarta, iyaha.
So,